entini nyina enti anopai yeti ayeye ama CEO na nkasa ya oda National Education Authority no ano ya woye professor or mrate mra, in fact or ye criminologist and osan eye mediator or ye management consultant and wodini nyina gudem and o semeso momai enti waje ato no so say obehwa masa NIA dwumedi etumi akoso. Prof Ken Attafuah NIA guest anopai. Prof, good morning.
Good morning.
You're great to say suku ni ne professor abebo nkomo.
I've been teacher.
That be teacher radio have been too much what temra papa. Oh yeah, dear do ye da so pass and then pay o de wada jeni bi afemi. Now so far registration e kosen.
Yo mini kan chia enchia Ghana this year omo we T4 so.
Okay.
Registration ko yie. Nemum enkosenia yenhyehyeye ene yesusuye esitie no. Senka eka yen ko a kan susuye ye no. Anka Ghana ni emre ankasa dwumadi ayeye eyade senka ema obi anya a pleasant experience and so nyesa na ekodo. Mfidie no ayeye dwuma no. Ne ejina network anase ahoma no so.
Okay.
Na eduru bibia na ateko a na chese uye ho hwea ye gise otwan eno na ibetimi adi ho nkoma kire ene kwan ayefa a ye pese esi no ano na afi ewo ho nso a in fidie na nkasa ye de ye no quantity na nkasa no na anommo a se ye pe ihia 2500 ene yetimi di ayadwuma na ma nsusuye mu no ama Ghana ni bia ho ahenhan no na nka queue no so ayintiti amaye na utwenema na bibi na asom.
Okay.
Yenya 1050 and ye said ye better audience a share the free ye the mrifamu atwen kopim se ahoboni nyina be CP esi aga ansa na yakone de na ebia na niam so kachiri. Ntino ye be hyase na kakra ye wo no ya che Ghana Greater Accra ya chemu mienu na ye de 1059 saka no.
Okay.
Ye de akogu Greater Accra efa near che about 350 registration centers.
Okay.
Omo Accra West no. Omo betumi akoye no fi kuntunse befa masama befa ba we had no de copim any test no ha no had de copim English ya man from wager de ba besen ko kaneshi ene mamprobi ehonum nyina kolebunum ene ade ntino yewie eno a na fe yakọ Accra East na eno na ye efi osu de kopem ekofa nungo teshi nungo ane tema ene Spintest Road num de call ashama ne pram ne afianya honum nyina de kopem ada.
Okay.
Accra East enti emfidie no edodo no ebedru se ye wie Greater Accra ye call Volta any Utino sa brenda na abrewa yi pomakwam na dodo na ye hwe ni mu nyina no na ababedu.
Okay.
Enu nti emfidie na ne dodo no nso no one big factor.
Okay.
Ena efidie nso ne de ye adwuma ena adwumayefo no afa omo atraining omo ama omo ntetepa a kire omo ekwan a yefa so doye man ekwan yefa so som ye man patriotism and service to the nation, proper customer service ya omo professional training.
Okay.
And so enye senia ye training omo ne ye hwehwe fi omo ho no ena ebinom eye no enu ntie mfidie no kura ekura mu no handling of equipment no na problems aba na ebinso kwala ni bi yadwumayefo ni bi nso sebe kwala boni wom anampanyi boni wom.
Okay.
Emfa o pen drive and share computer no mu enya o personal computer enya entertainment device aban ajapade a dia showsa se fire adwuma som oman ebi de pen drives any ma emfata ship.
Okay.
No mo de ahwehwe mo video no mo de atie mo nwom ne ade na the virus ababeka machine na malfunction. Ebi nso so de ne enhyehyɛ ayaye no omo kwati no say efa registration form. Dem TM wana na nansa ene na atwam ni business yesi uko ba bi kra say registration forms asa aye enim go asesem chese yabaye kura intumi nye simple planning. And so miniaba ya printed more than enough card. I mean registration, identity registration or application forms.
Okay.
There were more than 30 million forms. It's a Ghana ni bia or Ghana any do man ni bia. You tumi e card no register wo. Ya yen share a forms and register one. I share as I share no so betumi ama registration center bia anope bia adequate quantities of forms ewo ho. And so bet yes registration forms anyhow. Na nipa akodi queue mu na aye tenten aye ensem bebre.
Yeah.
Me pa Ghana man for chow.
Okay.
Enye yen share ni nsusue no. Na adwumayefo ne bi bom modin papa. Ebi yire omo ho akyese omo di nokredie ene oman ho do ene ye adwuma. Ebi nso aye omo ho sebe obo omo kyam so a emo. Ghana fo aye complain say o ebi kura agisika. Yenya onipa baako a oye willing so obedi adanse se me ya jimi sika mi gidi se ekoso. And so people are not willing to come forward and provide evidence say me hu se asmesi eye Ghana for dodo bebre wo phone ya obetimi camera wo mu obetimi de atwa picture e de ama yenya adansidi ne atimi agina so atu anamon a efata ne atimi de asi sa ne ma naso ano ana se aye kokobo ama afoforo enso so eno no ema omo mudi bi kohye kokoamu ye de emfata nyina se ote ya twe bia so de yete ye no ye nhwehwe mu de wo nyina so ne ya twe omo aso enya de a ye bebu ye ne agu bibi so na ye hya asie no odi fi 29th April ebe pim eye enra ya register 1,095,090 Ghanaians. 1,095,090 Ghanaians. That is 1095.
Including special ones, Samoyema, Ebinum na say mass one.
Debbie, we if May, I mean, if 29th April, Ebepem Enra.
Oh, okay.
Sa nansen ye, you know, 3 weeks yeah, you know.
Okay. Sa
do na ya register.
Okay.
And yetumi ama enipa 648,578 Ghanaians no. Omo saka omo card na omo di kofie. Your friend issued.
Okay.
Ya adwuma no say ye card ni wie na ye mfa ema wo mfa wo nsem mi aso. A friend verification. Unye no verification, no card. Just say verify because e bia na enipa mienu almost se papa bia ntafo. Enise kuma eje penny card.
Okay.
Enise ensun confusion bia eba.
Okay.
Untumi nyi obi card ma no.
Okay.
Esa se wo a wo ye applicant no. Ye o card ni wi a wa na wo don sa siso.
Okay.
Se eye wo ampa, wo di siso afidie no e be kire. Se mo se den a moni kosua de enya de kro ena mo aso ye tuatua ho nso enya de kro do makoma boy obi ade different ena fingerprints no so enti se nim dua no sekra fingerprint ene wani kosua no ebeboa ma ya
prof challenges na de wa wo sha se kra man for consent so mo dia ma de enti aye ihwehwe we dawson but first of all me pese me hu se wan kasa de beba so monitoring wa monitoring no challenges na bi de hu ye na bi ne sen ansa na de o man for de aban mesani mu a kiro
ebi na maboso no me co fielder na me raho enye enhyehyeye a na yesusu ye no eno no
okay
baby o hono mu a me du a na amanfo ani age danso man last stop ho baby last week me call ho the urban apply no omo very happy with ye applicant officials omo bom abaso omo ye mu omo wo mu omo twen a aye tintintin omo nsaka card ni nyina no omo hu se ya adwuma ye fo no omo de ebuo enentete ye pa ena ye adwuma kasade ene akrokro nyese nada akrokro a eye ne kwan so ena card no eche enso so enye den a omo hono no omo nsa eka ebra me call hono ne visa ka omo card sa mia no udu ha na ama wanya ahosepe kakra
okay
but dodo no ade enya ne sana eko
Okay.
Obedru ho no na long queues. Baby okra me call a man from enchen ho baby. English a man from side ho. Attafuah side ho. Baby na enter the previous day nsu ato na emframa abubu canopy no. There 11 o'clock na awie bia na ebo na Ghana for ejina mu no. Uhu a na areho. Ye queue special queue ama eho no ama ayarefo ni mrewane kokora elderly persons ani sebe abubufo abubu omo edi dem kwan bi so ana bibi etesa esesenka eno no ema omo trouble omo pain ni ade no lessened and so ya na obehwe na eno so omo adompem na aye bebre na eche na amanfo eho ekire wo mo na omo manufo no ne ade a ana omo mahye omo achi a omo di line na line no so tenten me call Odogono secondary school me share ma me abrewa pani bi a na de all kan me giri say no kre o se wadi nansa ewo Odogono secondary school gate no achi ena afi na watimi awuram abobe se no me ensa ho na me dru ho anwumre no na afi na ebe dru no so ama ye twa ne mfoni ti se ekobase edru no so ampa na ye twa ne mfoni a wan hwe ana ne nsa ka ne card no eda no ena no so aye big problem esan se cards no instant issuance no anye senia ye hye no every bia nti no ama yenya backlog bebre me chechiro mu na me matchro nhyeha ye e dey solve sa problem no na enti no obekono na baby ho no man kesa manfo abotre eswate omo aye frustrated enti no baby ho abedu na ase akoma no wosoro
and it's just more or less one kasa amount for challenges no be pa but quick one prof are man factor disable for no titiru wo mo ye challenge wo mani any wo maso into consideration afi se ne wo mo dia de shede atudwa se wo mo hia interpreters wo sentence no ebi o no man se wo kona onti kasa obey dey feeling form mo be o mo dey.
Okay, first of all you take sa enema ni nyina into consideration. Ye manual a ye di training ye officers our call registration center albums a manual bi wo disability classes of disability ni nyina ya hwehwe atrotro into obi ho a obeba no na bia memfan se sabisabi oyobubu ani but osan so ewo ebi apache obi ho no mo a oye sabio emum enso so untumi nkasa but osan so obi kra blindness obi ho ana nani efra na osan enso eyemum categories ni nyina ye wo code ya hyehyɛ se yehu onipa kro no bia owom ne temache bia wo ne nipadua ana na dwenim ana ni nyina ya ye ho enhyehyɛ na mom Ghana ha no no kro ho ne se interpreters untumi nya interpreters for every category of disability for persons with speech impairment and say hearing impairment and bibi etesa untimi nya bi wo registration center bia se obi akọ register wo center bi na se owo disability bia yentumi emmoa no mprempren na oboya mane a na ya ye special arrangement e de amasa nipa kro no sa na ete wo court ye ebra obeka ye national reconciliation pen me no ye example because na ade ye televised hearings na amanfo nyina hu bi na me na me da sa adwumadi na no se obi ba na se onte kasa onte brofo ana se twia ana se enkran ene hausanum kasa ye very common na ne native language na ono obetumi aka no se ye nibia yesre no o ma yehu sa kasa kro pese o kana na ya hwehwe interpreter for sa particular language no na ya ma eda no ya hye da ma no time na eda no sa nipa na obey interpretation no na waba na chese watimi aboa ama ya adwuma court nso bisa sa na ye hye
ye mass registration enti e bia na ya sorry wo court no baptist sorry down akọ register ti mini kan ko kan cho mo se me ba me be me a moment take us am here the crowd di kan ko alert
sane ende we ya no se ono ankasa entikasa it means say so obi a oboa no ama aye me gidi se ye opi ye bia adwunim se pese ye de no kra ye adwuma na de di kan min kan twa obi mpo ana min fandi obi atem but se anka nipa kro no kwa akopɛ American visa ena oka kasa bruni enti
okay
ena ohia se otumi ye no interview in the language kro na obemma sa American embassy for no ate sa need special need na owodo ne aye arrangement
Prof,
so be kokota
but in that case obe filling the form online and sana wako enti only opportunity in state before obedru embassy
online
but in this case me no opportunity bia anka bia anchiro bia e therefore suppose say just me call be emprenu
yes when you have a disability I'll come back to the online but when you have a disability Brunisi you have a duty you are a person with disability no?
Okay
you have a duty to inform the duty bearer also provided with service no?
Okay
now it is now we are a person with physical or mental or some disability first of all it's your duty to inform that employer
okay
and sana employer need duty are triggered the employer's duty is to accommodate your disability to the point of undue hardship. It means that nipa krono and adwumawura no obekọ ye obi mu accommodate you etimi ama so ho ato but endi say eboro
na hoden
so ena wo so no eye wo duty say obema a reasonable compromise na ama onipa krono so etimi accommodate you
okay
enti say ye na ye ni ye will be but then ye ni online registration arrangement okra it means say as I say woman ye hum say this is your limitation
okay
na yenso yemfa enhwehwe ye pa ebetimi aboa ama ye de yesom no so amawo na ayeye
in this case do free your konoko join to her na registration center wo na okache officials na omobe
exactly as I say your officials no sort out the pakrona or what's our disability no minka say even mental asylums the law says that we should register all Ghanaians said there say you call hospitals mental hospitals ankafone as a asylum there was asylum down any Pantai yes across psychiatric hospital baby I see a call
and it's some prisons
they call prisons every Ghanaian
okay
and you know as I say omo ehwe dwumadie so sawo if kukumu ana say aban mu no omo eboa yen yebekọ no omo register obi ho no mental disability e bia agese wanya Prozac pill bi afa ansa na bia watumi na kasa ana medical therapeutic personnel na wo or medical facilities no or dwumayefo na wo ho no omo beboa yen ama yatumi ene saafo nyina dinkita ho se na fata na yatumi a register wo mpese me fa wakonya iso ema amanfo nyina anho ba se ye ya sede se ye register Ghana ni bia
okay
na yentumi nye Ghana ni bia within 1 year
okay
your target this year to me 80% of the adult population I friend adults here those 15 years and above
okay
yet me capture those 15 years and above no you register womo between April 29th and 30th March 2020 na yedwumadi na chese ayeye
na prof say na ya nkwala wo still you will get backlog
yes see it me wie sa for ya mekan 15 and above na 80% na ye nhyehyeye no eno no ayeye na fe nkwala na ya under 15 years no emrane say yanti regional and district offices
okay
ye bebie NIA office wo omayimu important bia a permanent office Brunisi in perpetuity a permanent office enia oko shraj ana NHIA ana say senate ana DVL sa omo offices wo amayimu empotembe biano sa na national identification ye wo enhyehyeye a emra no hyeyen say yenye enti efi April of 2020 no ye bebie offices ni nyina ewo omayimu na yen offices no akọ asukuu mu akọ daycare centers akọ maternity wards akọ hospitals faako a ye wo chip compounds na ya register enkwala ya wo mtotofewa enne ekopim age just before 15 under 14 ye be register omu nyina sabre no de ntia ya ye enhyehyeye sa ne se enu sabre no na a teacher for ene awofo nyina so ya register on dada
okay
ama omu no so wo sa Ghana card no
okay
omu go through process no omu atiase omu hunu hia se omu omu hwe omu ma birth certificate ekira kwan omu hunu se ne ba ni birth certificate a ono a owo ne ba no obetimi adi aginamu ama ne ba no obe vouch se ne ba no no owo no ye Ghana ni sa hwehwe no se betimi akoso na aye smoother na se awofo ne teacherfo a omu ada ma ye be sro ma omu aboaye no ese se omu nso anya omu de
okay
na omu ate process na se.
And you are certain say ye nya backlog bia say e bia be 5 years na so ye wo Ghana for bi mo omu ni Ghana ka on say 2008 you say I remember na me waterchiman omu bam say omaba ye dia mika ye chesi omu a ye ko fele for me we ya minim sa fe na e ba beba menya sisi a mini buna hafo me wo bunu east nti one changes are asen abem nti you are sure say enkoba say bia be 5 years 4 years na so ye wo backlog bi na fe card no ekita ye so na ye
dabi de ntia CCA no ye ho kire yen eye NIA na ama aban so ho e kire no aban enhyehyɛ ya de buy through NIA
okay
and it say yemma card no enye in backlog 1 year ni 2 years
okay
ebri bi atwa mu no na enye instant issuance ye no headquarters e be register na ya ma data na ye dia bank ran ye di go CD-ROM so na ye dia bank ran headquarters na ya be download and as ya upload agu afidie no so
okay
na fe ya ye de broni friend di duplication asone mu ahwese wo ko akrogin na fe ya print your card na ye de agu box mu na ya batch atwerotwero ho na ye de agu kam na ye de do asalam down and as ye de akotagimai ana baby ni pamra na mo meje card no de hu ni se anye yi dodo na ankoje card no uko bodon komi se dian a opa akogina market center Elmina Square ukogina ho se den a nipa de kasam keke enipa no dodo na emameji enti over 3 million cards no only about 900,000 Ghanaians and almost aka Ghana card from 2008 na ye share mass registration ase ebe pim se ye be take over no and so make no na wotwe ye yimu a ye share now 3 million ye share ase no 648,000 have gotten the card aomodi kofie minim say enru another 1 month no na ya exceed sa 1 million you know 1 month cry in another week or two we will exceed it. But the point I'm making is esan say yempese eye ebre ema Ghana fonti ena abaye en say yemo modern enya no instant issuance
instant ne me okosan wo I'm say nye instant papa fisa manfo kwa wo se matwero midin yese kobra chena betwa photo chena no abetwa photo kobra bra beje o card anopa ya ye ba obi concern na wo de buy wo say me call ye me di 1 week afa yese me meje me card me ko say me koje yese nipa na obeyi ama wo no okobompai enra no okoye ewo Tantra Hill Golden Door ogina over 1 hour ewiem di obeyi ni card na ma no okobompai nti ne nsankan
minaba
prof we say instant
I mean chuano and the okobompai wrong enya dwuma time and ye de kombompai it is a cultural problem and an individual indiscipline it's wrong. You do a jumama afen ye morning devotion. It is wrong. Do your devotion at home. If you must do it at work, do it before the start of work.
before 8:30 so to speak
official time official time and NIA no 7 me officers no omo adu ho na by 7 a.m. no ote ho a oye ready to receive a Ghanaian applicant.
Okay.
Enti se ubedru ho 7 o'clock. Why you late? The flight takes off at 7. You don't arrive at 7. As I say na oba na oba set up. Na oba train oman for Ghana this year. Na omo ba wasomo omo.
The beautiful thing is Ghana for ahokeka for ade we wo so. Te bi wo na dwo no bi akoto lie.
Yes.
Omo de buo kra na queue.
Yes.
Enti omo be kono na nka omo wo ho dada.
Ena omo wo ho da bia me kwa pro nyina me hu ebi da ho ebi eda ho enti wo ye NIA official na wudu ho 6 a wo bedu ho na omo wo ho na no na nkrofo bi nso afa ho a omo timi ko cheche numbers a enye NIA officials.
Okay.
Ebi timi ko ama manage queue no omo agigigiska matizo se me officials ni bi nso eyesa but ma me nko back to your instant issuance matter. Esan say yenim the challenges, technological challenges wo yen potem ha omayi mu no. Your design, your system no such that there were 3 types of issuance.
Okay.
The edikan any your preferred system or mode. Your preferred mode a instant issuance. Now instant issuance nature say what go through process ni nyina wie no. Ye twa wonfo ni nyina ye wonsa dua edu no ye bibia wie no. Ye press button na card no ebe print within 4 minutes.
Okay.
A card should print when the command is issued. Within 4 minutes no card no be print. Card no printing we are adwumayenia or what verification machine animo no ana issuance station ho no or de wonsa mia afidie no so na se bibia ye corrector otumi de o card no emma sabre no a.
Okay.
Eno ne ye instant issuance enti a free Saudi yes ana pesa me chese enye but Saudi na wotwe Saudi 15 minutes so yen hwehwe ne say anka could do registration center ho a within a maximum of 15 minutes you should have finished going through the completion of the form. Okay. Interview no ayebisa abisa hu se wo ye Ghana ni mapana no so process no it should take 15 minutes maximum.
Okay.
Ye real 15 minutes na now call the ultra picture ne o take you your friend of biometrics. They all take you biometrics no or no as I say a maximum of 5 minutes. A bill honomana are massa because internet article.
Okay.
A bill are massa because scanner no ye kura maybe a ayashi and now says scanner and be an about once over no more any pamian set to computer anymore. Maybe I almost share one scanner. And yes, sana as I say a bano. But it's answer of me and sana echa dear bako. Now you say uwi and sana diama or fofrono. Na and also ama delay abem. But say Uncle Basse, say me fans are on number 1. And ye could do a jumum number 1 from filling about 15 minutes maximum. Biometric data capture at most 5 minutes. That's 20 minutes.
Okay. Card
printing no at most 4 minutes. Issuance is a matter of seconds. Enti anka within 25, 30 minutes no, you should be able to arrive at the center and depart from the center.
Nkefe.
Sana and share no etie on paper.
Okay.
On paper.
On paper.
A be I go through and so pleasant like that. You really piloting a dental and Guantanamo Dina ne ga east. Ye the adwuma no call University of Ghana.
Okay.
And Ashesi University and a Central University. At University of Ghana, some people were getting their cards within 15 minutes of arrival. Yeah, piloting our International Conference Center. Michelle, Ambassador Anand Ketu, he was congratulating me because he got his card within 15 minutes. And yet preferential treatment. The system works, all things being equal. And so nyanyana equal. First, it's say what technical challenges with data connectivity or your environment. Your device, your system, no say, another fallback position.
Okay.
It is the instant issuance na. what the second one, which is called deferred issuance.
Okay.
Let's just send the transfer mu kakra. Deferred issuance and say, obehwe na data article.
Okay.
Enti o print it, o ma command na and print it na aye queue.
Okay.
Ewo system no mu.
Okay.
Na enwumre na enipa akode da data connectivity asori agina no. Na traffic no akofom no. Na ahoden wo data no mu. Enti wo se cards na e print sa. Na yama yadwuma yefo no omo wo ho na nka omo aboa cards ni nyina no. Ade chi anopa na wo a wonsan ka no enra no. Ka obeba wo center no. Na o card ready near the amount.
Okay.
Deferred issuance. And until you share juma nasono, ye my juma for no quine say. And come back to me, I print cards no anajo. What registration center hono. Niti true, omo that center hono. Ebida ho.
Okay.
Say community na ye woman omo technical people no omo te infidie na chi nyina no. Omo de omo ya hoho.
Okay.
Na omo bisa questions say help you to fill the form no omo de omo ye mpotem honi.
Okay.
Omo ye fa omo because so otimi etenkran na o ye interview with Jamestown wa kan kran ye drew memfa ne say chitoa as a sauti eve na watimi ne ehofo no edinkita ho sania efata na watimi amaya ye adwuma ne yi ye duru nzema ese duru elembela unya obi a otenzema enti ye ntimi mfa obi mfiri enkran ha anase kumase anakofodua ne mfa no nko chiriponi anase elembele ma nko ye interview
enti is it say nipa no ultimantem ho abi anase probably ultikasa no enti say that
ideally ne ye panimi enu nyina but untimi nya enipa na na adwumayefo no ye minimum qualification ye HND or first degree.
Okay.
Baby wo ho a no kurani untimi nya enipa thousands na wohia ni nyina visa abrono no anase empotamu ho no emo mo nka a omo nyina te the local language.
Okay.
And obi ho no mo a oti local community ho enso na onte sa kasa no. And nuntina na o question na obi say about interpretation no a very good question, but ya fenipa with the best of intentions and plans and ebeya dodona locals who can interview people and who can fill forms, who have the appropriate level of literacy and can do the work. But let me go back to deferred issuance no.
Okay.
Deferred issuance no ne say yen to me I'm printing it down na ye ma no e bia adechi anase ne nansa so.
Okay.
Na ye de amount. Na ye ma adwumayefo no kwan say omon print cards na nadwo a data no aye strong no. Ena ani na sa ani na wotwe na ye te say ebinom ye nia emfata. Ena amanfo bi nso ehu a na omo panic omo hu say adwumayefo no print card anajo a bia na eye ne kwan so a nhehye ya ne say omo ntumi stay at the registration center ho overnight.
Okay.
Na omo print card na omo batch ni ye ade echi anopa na Ghana de hye ma no ba na ye de ama won but obi hu say printing na ekoso a na eye ne say eye kwambone so ena obi won so na oye kwambone ade ampa.
Okay.
To avoid all of that, no. Brebrama, amaniama, and I try sa arrangement.
Card printing.
A war registration center or no more.
Okay.
Enti yes, and you be create a print farm. Enti about 350 printers. Agui headquarters.
Okay.
Third floor. Printing and now cost anajunina. Adwumayefo no omo run shift. Ebiba no pa ebiba wi ebiba najo but anajo de no na make ho asami omo eba najo no omo adwuma ne say omo print card ne a batch na ade achi a ne de agu kam ne de akọ registration center ho.
Okay.
Obi o ho a oye frustrated enra anane nansa ne card na akọ center ho enso ontumi enkogie na bamu abu hayen obi o nso a okoye yesi o card no enye ready. And it's much room in a minute. Yes, so card no and you're ready and answer am I why you're frustrated, why you're bitter. Deferred issuance, card no print it quickly. Near the about the next day or two. Okay. Now Saka. Sana ye beye ama omo de akam ema ye nyina.
Okay.
The third option is centralized printing. Your printers headquarters ho. I printed thousands of cards overnight. I mean within an hour.
Okay.
Entino say enkwala de amekan school for de amekan ye. Ye gi data ni nyina na ya ma command na ekọ headquarters ho. Na print na adwumayefo no gina so. Na omo hwehwe na ye mark na ye twere ho na ye de agu kam na ye de kọ say outside academy school na wo jolua na ye de kọ say school no wo fumbisia ya print cards no ye de agu na ye de kọ
yes ye twa ne shorter se me kosa me ko register na ne papa mu a odi ye defer issuance no ye be register me no registration process na nkasa no saying the city acha da ben say mensa e come card
said I can no acha ezenka onsaka o card e dana o register ya.
That is the ideal situation.
That is the ideal situation.
Let's just skip the ideal situation.
Okay. So you move on to the current reality now. And run a meeting if you're about 11.
Oh.
Ne tia wane say esan say backlog tin abentino ye ma Ghana for anhoba say ye be clear sa backlog yi no na ye clear backlog na ya send text messages to obia and the card are ready no.
Okay.
Say o card are ready e was center we beja ye be share deja issuance stations fa kwa ye card ne keke ye register biem.
Okay.
Ye register afofro.
Okay.
Ye ko card ne keke it is o card ye ready a na ya to nkra ye frew ye nyawo a ye be to nkra text message say o card no are ready na kokoje no wo biaya e di say ni say e be show the specific place say kokoje.
Are we not going back to 2008 there now cancer of 3 million cards you know just 900,000 in a beji enu enkoyeka fi say wa wasem enipa no ebi abambebu makoto lies afi amfa ma afi na yesi abefre me say memeji.
Yes
enhaye
ebe haye nanso enkoye 2008 die ni bi
atenti
and they say 2008 no na card ni nyina ye printed at headquarters na ya swako amanhodo anase all amantam ni nyina mu at different times.
Okay.
Now this time no a backlog and aba for just a short time.
Okay.
So a short time no it may be a week. Technicians ni share and they are paid by 10 o'clock. Omobemeyetimi enya the correct estimate of timer how long it's going to take. Yeah, expand it. Adeba konso ama minka adeba konso ama card on printing terminal. You see, Ghana card. Me I can drive. I can Ghana card no. Passport and kasa ewoso. Passport ewoso electronic passport.
Okay.
And as our paper passport. And now the buyer ye try eno so mfoni e de atoso. Ye try o voter ID card. You try o birth certificate, you try o health insurance, o social security, and you do a Ghana tin number. The owo bia ye aban na de ma bia. You try home phone and you de ato chip no so.
Okay.
A lot of data. Heavy data. And this o bank card no. O bank card na udu bank it me printed them out instantly no.
Okay.
And we two chip. Kete.
Okay.
Information there was so crowd no. A preloaded.
Na we ne print
na ye do picture kan ho ne de amount completely different way there no a lot of data ye de gu chip so.
Okay.
Chip na ehemu no 148 kilobyte chip there o bank card no say Visa or Mastercard A2 chip or driver's license no near A2 chip. This is a big data and ye de gu sunti ne printing nankasa kra no
e be take it time na prof
and you printing kra there
agu card ba akoso and then so ntumi fanya bank transaction
e betting a bank transaction
no banks NGO.
Oh, don't mind them we'll deal with that mpachoti nyambotrema me. The law already exists since 2012 since President Mahama Peso say wherever identification must be established, verification must be established, the Ghana card shall be required. A law that exists. The entire enforce law and say, yentumi ma Ghana for dodo no ano enya Ghana card no. Enunti no o bank ne say onji enye emfanye adwuma na enye yie. Na Ghana say Ghana ni bi jika ekra card na odiko bank na bank ne refuse the bank is breaking the laws of the republic.
But prof me wo nkran fortunately my ya mama me bibia also na mo dia mama na me dia ko bank bia na mo bisa me voters ID ni ho na me passport ni ho o de che omo amanfo se omo se omo.
That's what I'm saying.
For now once I'm kita no the fact say nipa dodo nya it doesn't make the card invalid.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying that
once I'm kita ni there, why should the bank refuse it?
That's what I'm saying, that they are breaking the law. The bank should accept the card. It is compulsory. The law says that they should require it, not that they should even accept it.
Okay.
They should demand it from you.
Okay.
Now, it is now provide here. They break the law when they demand voter ID card, passport, anything. The only document that the bank or anybody wanting to ascertain your identity is required by law to demand is the Ghana card and Ghana card only.
And Ghana card only. Prof, okay, so once all these other cards on the voter ID card and so Ghana card, so no, yeah, the Ghana card betwa bana.
Mintiminia no say yes or no. The minimum say Emrana Daho since 2012 no. H say o ko register for voter card. So ko easy, I ko register for voter card. You must produce the Ghana card. The Ghana card shall be required when you are applying for certain services. Some services no bako registering for the voter ID card.
Okay.
Ebine ukoi pet driver's license.
Okay.
Passport.
Okay.
So ukoi your social security.
Okay.
O pay pension. O access o pension. O pasase. O register sase. And nema ahudo bebre. There are about 21 things. So unkra o ya o SIM registration. Every single Ghanaian must produce their Ghana card in order to register their SIM card. Everyone will have to register their SIM card. The law exists already. Jana Attafuah and the diaba.
But okay, so let's say that this year, June 7, Ecosi 27, limited registration at ECBN, and you will be an Ghana card, enti, and no diabia omisa. But say in Accra West, obisa, I didn't see na obisa because already say EC official bisa me say, o say Emrani say me koye voters ID na easy for no be bisa me say me Ghana card way. And I miss action other way round say me kita Ghana card dada. Me voters ID was so. And first of all no, didn't know say me sign call Emma mu bisa me say me Ghana card way.
Matua say and Shane say so me can say you register Ghanaians from 15 and above.
Okay.
You target 80% of that segment of the population. You know by next year now. It's not say 80%. It means that 20% have already not been covered.
Yeah.
So 20% nina omo akwanya so omo be call regional and district officers no. No more how register no more sonsa account Ghana card no.
Okay.
And I yen so I said yes a schools mu e register. There a year compulsory me can say one ma Ghana ni no enye bie no. The person who doesn't have it, you cannot demand it from them.
Okay.
But those who have a requirement for accessing certain services.
Okay.
And no voter registration, not voting no.
Yeah.
Registering for the voter ID card no. A requirement to say you must produce the Ghana card. I am right that since President Mahama Benso.
And I mean to say if I have a Ghana card, already no voter ID card no mo bisa nipan ewoso. On say every 4 years and I say 10 years census we are omuye general registration magana ni bia enti eno na say wo ko register wo voter ID card dada o de be kwa akɔkyerɛ sɛ ma register da ɛnini enti let's say next year 2020 ya ye census awie enti isi sɛ 2021 me ye new registration me kwa mikita Ghana card
that will be sufficient.
ID card no was so that
will be sufficient. So okra Ghana card Udema EC official or swipe o card na voters ID card na you try and phone it will pop up.
But kita Ghana card why must EC come to register me again?
No, I know the EC NIA doesn't control EC.
EC. Okay.
EC is a separate institution. It's a constitutional body.
Okay.
Constitution that ateno. Constitution that etieno. A mano and shisheye enemra onfaso enye najuma. Omo ena omo register nipa for voter voter registration. Omo ena omo chere ekwan befaso atoaba ene eho enhyehyeye. NIA and control EC.
We know that, but said the be ya mo say ni nyina ekọ one card so no.
Mpacho me chiro ho aba.
Be kita card jiri bebre.
Dabi me ba mpacho me ba. Eye nto wase.
Okay.
Emra ewo ho no enne no. Emra ne se EC sha issue ID cards.
Okay.
Sa emra no ense sign.
Okay.
Enti enne se okra Ghana card na upese okoto aba untumi mfa o Ghana card enkoto aba. Because emra da ho no kire say the voter ID card issued by EC.
Okay.
E kan ho this confusion kan ho and tension aba omayimu. But enchechemu ni nyina ne say emra ene enhyehyeye say yekodum pempenso bi na NIA yetimi aye adwuman ama ho ate edimu Ghana fo nyina agye atomu say ya register Ghana fo no dodo na omo aye omo ho available and ready to register. Yatimia register omo. Nipa 18 years plus nyina automatically known with a click of a button. Enti se Ghana for no egitum say yemfa voter ID card national ID card no Ghana card ena to aba. Ghanaians will demand that from their parliamentarians. Na emrahye badwafo no mu aye enhyehyeye a efata ewo emrem se omo gitum Ghana for gitum a eno ebetimi abasa se sie ya yegina die
me mase se sie ya yegina me voters ID mako register Ghana card enti me number no me electoral area code no aba Ghana card so afi ye koto aba district level 1 me hu me voters ID na ma fa me Ghana card so pamcho me kwa Ghana card no kwa me di me voters ID ko enti mo nyehwe omuntumi swipe it say na wakana
omo swipe pa your voter ID card will pop up.
Okay.
E betre all the details are a wall card no so dada no.
Okay.
If it's an infoni no e was so.
Okay.
Now, it is up to EC to decide whether that evidence is sufficient for them for their purpose in enabling you to vote.
Okay.
It is not for NIA to decide or to pronounce on that. But me pese Ghana for
EC ne pa eno obeka se ye hunti ye beji atum.
Na omo ene emra a creature of statute almost emra na ate wo mo. Ese se omo hwehwe nyina ene emra no eye anamfo. Enu nti I am simply saying that ese Ghana for nyabotre se ye nyina de adwene ba sanya omampani mahama aka se Ghana fo nyina emeka ho e de afoa de na akufo ado aka we are united on one thing answer na be hyase aye institutional registration before June 4th last year. NIA stakeholder engagement with all the political parties, all of them.
All political parties. All of them are mushia, ebia reps and answer executives
of the political parties. It's the CPP. Koshia Professor Dele and any executives our Omo office.
Okay.
Say NDC Koshia at that time now Honorable Betty Moldidrisu and the chairperson of the functional executive committee, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But at least at the meeting there, she was chairing. More than 24 NDC stalwarts were present. You know, omo ye stakeholder engagement. Honorable Asiedun Ketiano penifoni na eka ho. Ye ne MPP4 executives a meeting. Ye ne PPP4 executives a meeting with Honorable Dr. Parker Sindum Hotel. Yeah, engagement with all these major stakeholders.
Okay.
We are all unanimous. Say Ghana card no. Here. See yina yenya. Say ye na when kakra na wo ho say minority in parliament. Na omo emfoaso because of voter ID card. Na say party ni a presidential candidate abeka say yen jintum na Ghana ni bia entage na yen register no. Me wa rehemu say ebeye ye. Ghana for a boyen emane ye a say a Ghana for pese yen fantoaba. It will be a matter of course.
But for now, commissioners of oaths ni bi ombebuama amanfo mu hia dansidie no ayekama. Commissioners
for oaths no judicial service nkoa chief justice and a betumi a commission obi as a commissioner for oaths. Enti they are disready ko Maame Sophia Akufu chief justice anim Emma na Daroma yanti ase ma yen. Enti ye advertisement eba pepem Emma nipa thousands and apply ye fa emu 1,500.
Okay.
And I training or minimum qualification university degree or HND.
Okay.
I'm a judicial service. I'm a omo entity. I'm a chief justice. A commission. We have more than enough commissioners for oaths.
Okay.
Into you call registration center bia won't say be me no be your crab bekona me ansa na ho send e be ya bia ho en
Prof ye kan ya yes Ghana card Ghana card but ye tete wo baby say if you are on record to say oh I didn't crab betimi use to ECOWAS country intafe ECOWAS card na baby card ye say wo say ye ko UK na ye tu kwa brochira ye mre you the Ghana card nature ye say no am say ye Commonwealth card nso ana it say ye Ghana card na ECOWAS card and our Commonwealth card.
Okay, that's Swabisa. Yabotana Minchroom.
Yes, Prof.
Ghana Mrasi and your Ghana card.
Okay.
A card which shall be known as the Ghana card.
Okay.
And Rana Dahoda Dada. And Asana Nana Kufadoba power. And Emra December 2015. Omampeni John Dramani Mahama as president of Ghana. Only other ECOWAS heads of state and government almost signed ECOWAS protocol. It is a ECOWAS member country bia. Produce ECOWAS ID card. Emma the nationals. In the ECOWAS secretariat no, almost a year specifications. As a card ECOWAS card no, a meet. Even the card body, paper, card nankasakra, a mudro, and in the essay was so nymphony ni adina, yes, I'm shading na etoho.
Okay.
A year binding on Ghana. Say, I say, yes, our card no. Enti a ban way by no, and a shady the your governing board, NIA board, a hair no, yes, there be card, a who do me no dear. A bear a cadro, ama Ghana. ECOWAS card, yes, ECOWAS netriaka. Ghana na etriaka.
Okay.
And a man so yes, or Pesa Ghana ni bianya, sa ECOWAS card ni bi. Or Pesa Ghana ni bianya Ghana card no ebi.
Okay.
But and yet say ebebo company no. Ne ama Ghana fonso we crack card mi no. Enti ye ne ECOWAS fo kodi nkita ho. And omo gitum say Ghana card no. Ye betimi aka ene ECOWAS card no abom. Ama na ye one card. Into all the features of ECOWAS card and in the specifications, you know, as I said, Ghana, ye jitum near the share the so.
Okay.
If it's a sign protocol, no dada. And I answer your card, no features and security features and specifications, and also as I said, I was so. Into your my technical people, no, a can a share and a omuka card me, you know, a boom and a aya one. Na sana into no. So far Senegal for there. Senegal, omo there no so ya trust in French. ECOWAS identity card. Okay. Sana country be our West Africa there etie. Na Republic of Senegal and our Kingdom of whatever. Okay. In our case, Republic of Ghana. Enti your free card no Ghana card. By your true card no so ECOWAS identity card. Okay. A fusion of two different cards into one. Okay. Abuama yen ya save millions of dollars by
that
not
means
creating.
That, say me call ECOWAS country bia. Say me fi Ghana, ko Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire. Mo no mo isu kadente no. Is it then to say me kita me fasa stress ne frustration na. Omo ba me pre unika dente atana ha you say no.
Exactly.
That card nature.
Exactly.
Omo policy for no mo odi bi omo from omo be accept sa Ghana
Gendam
card
for
no
no. Yes. Exactly. The police and the gendam, they are trained to recognize. Say amasane yes omo no mo hu dawru ye e wo mu krom ana so omo ma omo aprosi for enya sa entity no. But ECOWAS protocol no de sa na e kire mra na ECOWAS for empanin for assign no enti de enhihye ya omo empanin dada mahama ye no eno na ye to aso ya ka abo Ghana card na omo empanin kofo prenso ya ye no e na ya pagem.
Edi pentemaye. ECOWAS countries ahini hu se wo maye fi say prof you know it too well. Ghana ye be kwa concentrate ni ya na de ensa hase. Ya na de ensa hase. Nti on say amafo ka say Ghana de ye nche ni age convention bi atum so ye mfa nye djuma.
And no a different matter. It's an unfair comparison. The only say ya atum because ya sign emra Ghana no. And ECOWAS protocol so there are timelines. As I said by which time there's a deadline as by enu sabre na obia aye.
Okay.
Ya antena se abaya yade, aba antena se antwentwen so ankoye in the last minute. It was since 2015 December.
Okay.
And at 2017 aba free buy and a share no se yento aso. And ya ye de Ghana assign age atum say ye ese ye boy abaso. Enyem rikatu e nyansa ne adepa ye. And ya ye adepa. Number 2.
But prof me bisasa because UGD say ECOWAS countries are akano. Intina bisa say how many of them NIA will it be accepted? Will it enkoye se card no ekita? Yebeka che so uko ECOWAS country au present here by treating also mujitum. But afe ubeko akodru no na frustrated and there are many of such laws that yes ya depa. And so be we ask no na adeno. You are really not seeing the benefits of adepa.
Well, first of all, the benefit of the Ghana card remains. It is integrated into or with the ECOWAS card.
Okay.
So the benefit will always be there for Ghanaians.
Ghana. Okay.
Now, per se you nyadaji anki nisa benefits no hon komo kakra.
Okay. Then the next one will be the Commonwealth one.
Okay. Enti eno wo ho. Na ECOWAS there no. Se ukra Ghana card here, a passport in itself for travel within West Africa.
Okay.
Se udu lomi omo electronic gate. It me ready u the card no etapo anasa o the try it me ready what is on the card. I bet you say and I can say passport was so crowded. It can electronic passport, it can read it. And the benefit is there. Emma we are easily identified as an ECOWAS member. Say omo no so ya omo dia omo hye ya e fata sanity. And na ubi say about Commonwealth.
Yeah.
Me ana me dia to just say Se Ghana any EC economic community of European economic community assign the necessary protocol assign say electronic passport a work card and also that you can travel with it within the European community. Say yes sign that's a conditional statement. Say Ghana buying through Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. To me any the EC community no assign the necessary protocol na ebema what to me this card no to climb within the European Union because it is a far more secure passport than paper passport. Yes, subject to all kinds of manipulation.
And you be cost empa so far say na ye spend here and you are spending musem.
Okay, card no say offer the one card. Now, for the cost of producing it, for card specifications, ink, everything, any registration process, who can in Aboma. Senkayema, Ghana Nibia, a triaka, anka it's about $6.50, I believe, or $5.60. I'm not very sure. Either 640 or 640 or 560, one of them. I believe it's 640. I can double check and let you know. However, Ghana buying edema ubia for free. The equivalent cost $21. Ewo Rwanda. And no enye as high as Ghana card no. The Senegalese one they are paying for it at $17 a piece.
Okay.
The Ghana card is being given to everyone for free. But what is the total cost?
Exactly.
The total cost, this is being done through or under a public-private partnership agreement. The private partner of NIA, a friend of Identity Management Systems Limited.
Okay.
IMS no private partner no ono na infidie no technology no ono edeba. Nika odeba no $169 million.
Okay.
Ghana aban edia odeba eno be cover yen registration ye for the first 1 year no. Sa registration ye na issue card ama obiano. Ghana buying ebebo hoka $124 million US dollars.
Okay.
169 for the private partner and $124 million for the nation Ghana. Sa economy you know.
Yes, Prof.
Sa
into economy you know $295 million.
I think it's a little less than that. But
it's less than because this is 169.
Yes.
And it is 124.
So
yes. I did my quick basic math.
saying
13.
Exactly.
Here will give us 13. So then it's 293.
Okay. So that is the total cost.
Okay.
I'm saying what 1.2 billion.
Yes, 1.2 billion. Yes. Prof Pa will be a fast. Hey, Prof Pa. Me admire Papa Pa. Now obe be a fast sir.
Me aba me ntumi mbu obi amfa so me mbu obi amfa so da.
Sir.
Debi.
Na den wo mo kasa.
Ya bro ene anase ignorance. Obi a obeka sa no na ebi a onya adaje entie enkomo no.
Okay.
Ena waje ano asi bone. Anda watie enkomo no but opese ogu ye hu fi. Anase oka e de ase yen. Ene se arrangement na ye ne private partner no wo no. Over 15 years.
Okay.
Now 15 years no. And I yatna se ni says na 15-year contract the first year and na ehun kana makan. Ye wie first year na emfaso a de beba no.
Anti $293 million near just first.
It's just for the first year of operation.
See the rest of the 15 years so you bet you
and only honing komodeno. You see private partner aden odinisi beshem. Odinisi beshem at 169 no because on him say emfaso beba.
Yeah.
Na emfaso no kwan be so na beba. Card verification services. Bank no a okwa eso mo verify eso mo tuaska. Omo e wo yesem card registration say 3 pesos ekra sika. Ena yira na oba card na yira na be replacement a obetuaska. E di 10 years na obegye foforo a ene de enye free. First issuance ene ye free. Enti akwan hodo bebre ho a e de revenue ebeba. Na sa revenue no eno ena yatena se ne yasese ene I say over the next 15 years it is bia awofo omo awoba no omo si o ye be se ye hwe no mane kodu 15 years a e ka ben se ne be bo ne ho na wasese si o ne lactose na Cerelac ni school fees na school atare ne mpaboa we scout na girl guide obekọ niam ebe ya mani nyina se wo estimate a over 15 years no the estimate stands at $1.2 billion. Okay. It is an estimate of total expenditure. But it is not money Ghana government is giving to anybody. It is not money you are going to pay. It is rather money say you run a project no for 15 years. Over the 15 years, you issue about 40 million cards to Ghanaians at home and abroad. That includes Ghana for Ghana for omo amanene amanone omo card be yira omo be babeji replacement over the 15 years. Sa ekani nyina and I estimate no to be $1.2 billion.
And now say 1.2 billion yesika ban dey and no cry expenditure. I be call MIS for ni wa na.
There be expenditure NIA ni IMS ebeye over the 15 years no.
Okay.
But sikana e de be yes expenditure no. E be free profit na sa arrangement e de ba no mu.
The project after the first year, no, a buying sign for
exactly. Emma Mishim.
And Tiencha the being considered say, hey, a buying a year budget, and I say, now if I two after buying your poucho, 124 million now, the Maya, Debbie no, is so, and yeah, you're funding free a buying where you're trying to buy one.
Me to ask me two questions as a pa. A public-private partnership agreement.
Okay. A
buy what Irish say. Sa arrangement no ebe so profitable say ama onokra no wa ma government support agreement wa sign say me gitum say ade we ebe ye emfaso ama Ghana man ama NIA no ye free being a cost center to a revenue center ye benya sika e de aboa oman Ghana enu nti aban di ho aginamu say ebe ye yie amode ne sachase ye parliament e wo hoyi minu aba Yema every single member of parliament a copy of the draft agreement and sakra na yes sign way ahead obia ntina meka say obi ka say 1.2 billion ebe cost yan ya na nipa kro no ada say eya bro ana say eya ignorance bia na nipa kro kan ana ontie ni yie
enko ba say e na won say mo the a copy of the document called parliament. Enipa na wo mo keka sa no nye nkwala. Wo mo adru bi mo kra emra hye bedwafefo.
I am telling you, sir, upon my honor, we gave a copy of the draft agreement to every single member of parliament. I am saying that.
Really?
I am saying
that. On one was a parliamentarian, they can say, Omuji buying 1.2 billion, Omubu faso, and give me this amount and I can give you same services.
And you know, correct. Obi Obeka say, be an no cre no woody. Say, Obi Kase, Matisse, the estimate will be 1.2 billion over 15 years, Nipakron or Kanokre. But Obi Kase, the project will cost Ghana 1.2 billion. The person is misrepresenting the situation. Okay,
so the estimate, the project, and to be to one pay a we and a catch for no more camera for
a brofo. Me buy me besides say and come with the end, no much so. But mammy to me. Now maybe 1.2 billion. but many about the Americans made the Ukraine a matter of public record.
Okay.
The American a public record.
Okay, Prof.
The Mintina Midi and Fatuhoma say I will phobia say. See a share ba a copim 15 years say na a be cost ye. And non chesa was as Canada ho. And then chesa says can be the amount. And now na be the jaw. Name ye dear crowd a revenue from the project. A jubana air no, and faswa at the bebano, and no betria hoka, say a young faswa dia, anka private partner no, anka on funny sika, and mammy shim. It's a profitable venture. A idea a dim faswa, a bebentino dinner home.
Private partner no Ghana now were breaching.
Oh, hey, Identity Management Systems Limited, a Ghanaian company.
A part of
Debbie, a part of
data and Hoshe.
It's not a simple data.
I'm asking.
A private company, a part of the margins group of companies.
Okay.
New Penny or Dan or your friend Moses, Kwesi Badin. We are Ghanaian any other.
Okay.
Now, company no a Spinters Road ha.
Okay.
Almost identity card, identity document manufacturing and management company. First, a non-aligned movement conference a year in the war, International Conference Center, 1990 something. Didadano. Omuna a year ID cards for that. Your friend is saying international conference.
Okay.
They've been in this business for over 25 years. And Yemen, I may you or man, I mean,
brain so non-aligned movement.
Non-aligned movement. Only a conference.
JJ time.
Okay. 1991 or thereabouts. I've forgotten. Nasa company and a year, sir, Omo ID cards.
Okay.
Omo ye security document printing company, any management. In make security document, I'm talking about passports, postage stamps, bonds, securities, checkbooks, those kinds of things.
Okay.
And even currencies.
Track record.
Omo track record on this continent and beyond.
Okay.
Omo na build technology no. Omo na design. And omo ye. Data no by law no NIA. And ye gather and until na ye field.
Okay.
Ye collect sa data no
okay.
ye na ye keep data no
okay.
na ye na ye obey emra no senia the Data Protection Commission Act no ekre a ye bo obi ankrenkre bia data no ye bo ho eban a ye wo ye focal person a ona ye responsible for sa dwumadie no owura Francis Pamdeti a wo san ye kasama for no immigration papa no
enti software na mo use no why na ye mam
software na ye use no private partner no private partner na yes but we are in control. Oh,
yes,
of course.
When it's your idea, Mibisa. Easy catcher say, Adia that the free password no cry. Na yasem. One person cost him Montina Mibisa said that chance and be a ye co register will be an obi copegana card. Yes, a chain. Na ye one more data developers in Uni bomba fiafe on bomba baba me and your access.
Ye what it was here, Medasi. Ye wo emra. The agreement na ye ne omo assign no agreement a transparent medical kasema every member of parliament a copy of the agreement when it was in draft form.
Okay.
The agreement is available, the signed document is available for obi opese ohwem ehunu die ewumbia. It's a public document. Say here I mean it's a document between government of Ghana and the private partner. But enakra esanwo a Freedom of Information Act, Ubia Timikra a request. And you know, there is nothing secretive about it. There is visibility into the process.
Okay.
Public Procurement Authority, a year value for money audit twice on the project.
Okay.
And Sana, a year recommended to government to sign the contract.
Okay.
Enti enya dia bibi techre and who be anase bibi a enye proper bi ewo ho.
Okay.
Open book and it's in the best interest of Ghana. And the data is protected. The data is absolutely not.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
Now,
you try okechema area na unya namre.
Me da say. Awo Ghana hapa. Ye ni omo neti bi so abaye ye busua. And so omo isheda nye Ghana for people. Me ye sure say wo de wo ye lawyer yi de unim de ma obi ye Ghana ni. E wo said the constitution no e kano emo exact Ghana card yi e ho asem ba kwa asori ye say awo be kita bia na omu kita ne sen e na hwe niam ahodo nso e wo so na obi o ho betimi kita NHIS card obi o ye ho e betimi e kita ne other driver's license e bia voters ID nye e bia kra any passport no ntumi kita. But obetumi kita NHIS ne driver's license. And also Ghana card so ye be place a ho no wo here.
Didi kan ye wo enhyehyeye dada I no so fi 2012.
Okay.
E kire say ahoho eno kra de fi 2007 a year sa emrana govern NIA ni ade no. Say ahoho nyida wo Ghana no. Yen register. Na ahoho emrana mu no de oyo ahoho no ayu eso register ye ahoho a watna Ghana for 90 days or longer.
Okay.
And now say oye permanent resident.
Okay.
Na ana o te Ghana na onye diplomat.
Okay.
So a diplomat eni so register. Omo no saafo ni nyina no emra ne se omo register. Na omo register omo tua fee $120.
Oh, okay.
And don't your friend of FIMS, Foreigner Identity Management Systems.
Okay.
As our private partner na in the year Jumano. On one or yes, since 2012.
Okay.
And register foreigners. Every foreigner or what category am I came no, they are to register for the Ghana card. And so we register a young Ghana card no. NIA headquarters and I say immigration head office and other points are more established.
Okay, omo call local centers.
Omo medi line mu bi.
Okay.
Yeah, they class 3 4 na yen register. And I trade near gum. So you ho a or class 1, and class 2, and class 4. Yen class 3 and 4 Ghana phone kwa. Yen na see di call register. Mti ni say ho. Eko gina sa queue no mu say our registration center bia say oba be yen card. The opese oye card na under the FIMS project no so called NIA headquarters or immigration headquarters na okoye ni de almost be other places.
Okay.
That's number 1. Number 2, esan say fee ewo ho nintino ebinom empese omutua ti obi wa na opese ofa kwati kwan so na obedi Ghana for line no mo
okay
etia emra
okay
Ghana emra no ekire se sa onipa no se wo ye Ghana ni na se wo hu se obi aba abegina queue no mu a onye Ghana ni a wo Ghana ni no wo ho kwan se wo challenge sa nipa kro no
okay
na kwan be fa so a challenge ni se wo bo NIA official amane se asomesi ana obenten me gidi ye se oyo hoho NIA for no baby sound nsem na omo aboa mo afele form na amayen basic information ye betimi de agina so aye investigation sa investigation no emrana te committee and emrana say yente committee no empotem bia every district no district magistrate or on the be chairman
okay
police commander a won potem ho a member
okay
a senior officer from education service a member
okay.
Senior officer from social welfare, a traditional ruler we are gazetted abajinatum and an imam anase kramoni penny mumanim ni a member
okay
and obia oye maka social welfare sa fo ya no emrana ahihye na omo yefra omo district registration review committee omo na be investigation say kunama uso ye Ghana ni wana na ye class 3 teacher
okay
wana ye classmates suku ben na ukoye asor ben na uko wana na ye kwa master these are not the questions but bebisa questions are ebetimi ama omo ahunu say ampa wo ye Ghana ni
okay
ye wo ha and as I say ni say near me from accredited knowers omo a ye wo arehemu wo mu say between prosini wo investigation skills be teacher ni wo and that's what education ti omo na be yes say yi na
ke be fepa but ebegina Ghana ni a obekọ akoka kire NIA officials so e ho na ya asem no Ghana na ye kofi wa mefimeni mehu hu ye matia mente ye mempa asem nyafe na hebra besen koche akogya ye ha onya hu ti Ghana ni nkoka and it's on record say Attafuah nkwa Attafuah over 2 million ewo Ghana.
First of all, I mean kind of first point, no, I mean address the first issue. Say addition nkwa adwane.
Yeah.
Ye na ye wo ye man na ese ye bo ho ban. Registration officials here omo ye adwuma a ese BJJ bribe yi. Ghana for kan so Ghana ni bia ma forward. Ubisa mami bibi pese ye kase enam no so ye she adwuma yase ye recruitment me officer baako senior technical officer baako na ordinary mobile number amankrofo ejeje bribe se obetumi ama omo adwuma saafo no omu baako na oni ni di ano osi o we de 300 200 na ojeje fin krofo o na obi se ne board de man na osre na on tene so osio skana me nyame nkwa na midi mpanifo na osoro ni nyina akra ebeji biedi no wagu wani mu ase kwa na ode abokro no obi a owo arehemu owo gidie we mu se mintimi na dwuma no na menye saa no oyi asotre yakochi onipa kro no ono a oyasori bi pani abana na yiri nyima rehosem otro a letter of apology admitting ne form so a waye nyina also forgiveness me the boy notice board so adwuma ya the name of police battery because ya koji MTN ya ji transfers na akon ho evidence ni nyina but enipa na obekọ akogina adakam edi adanse aboa me yetimi a prosecute Ghana ni no ofre wo ma unya omu biem na asem na asensemu hwe yia a Ghana for diwo accuse me. Nobody has been willing to come forward with any evidence. Ubetimi di ejina so aye the SCA. Yama prosifo ati omo ho agum. Yama BNI for ati omo ho agum. Beginning last week. So far no, to the extent I can tell, yenye nyame official be I say waje bribe ana wakoton form ana waye bibisa na mom yachi ewo kolibu ho baabi no yachi obi a odo de waye no hu goro boy teacher ni kodi lime no waye sene o pretend sene oye adwuma ni bi no na a friend crofo mo agine di so oye bi no na odo ma konchen na wa wi aye form no ba ko no waye photocopy na ode eye efele man crofo no ogige 10 Ghana 15 Ghana no ne ade but ode ba ye ne ye no ye chi sa nipa num na wa fill form na ma won no
okay
but ono amu no adwane but the num ni nyina ya chi won the enti amaka we ene say opesa rely on Ghanaians say omomwa yen na emadwuma ni ye a sa na esen ka ye no uko obi krom a how dare you say wo American na
we den otimi wi am form ni say me cat official no wo hwe so kama
thank you no enti no a question of investigation enye yen hye ne say ukodu registration center ye de form no maw na odi kofie etia ye mra enso so sana ebinom eye no ansa na won sabeka form no esese wakotena official nanim na wo register ti otwe form na obisa oje particulars na odi agusu no afele uwi a na wo the form na the next the completed form no wo de akọ no akotwa won foni we de obehwe no ne ya cheche forms no ama ankra na omote kiu no mu ana omudi gina kiu no mu na obi de aye chiniye akata na ni mawia no enti se ekoba se nipa kro no kofia na odeko sanche shedi nyina enye ye nhyehyeye no eye violation of your rules
na mkasa wo se umrantie mammo mu training customer care ni ado hya se wa bowo mu abaso
na me kan ba me sanko kansa so se enye omu nyina na edi nhyehyeye ni training ni mra no eso enunti na eno ka ho pa kese eni enya the problems that we are having but miniaba Ghanaians have a duty to police the boundaries of our citizenship. Yeah, na say a boy citizenship no ho eban.
Okay.
Na yamma ahoho ema mefurem. Na se unim the benefits of having Ghanaian citizenship. Se unim a dwene ho se adenti no ho pese obeye Ghana ni.
Prof, what can you say we say mo ye adwuma so ne kamak say dia. Adan na bi mo nso se da bi dia mo ye mabuko to mraso yi. Center for Social Economic Studies CSS for a petition shraj. What in one say
Bajo Devi.
Oh sir, center ni say from so bi wo registration na mu ye no emu. Adan ya wonom say Ghana for na wo mo ba beje Ghana card no. In fact, mo to santene ten e na da bi mo court ma court kire mo particulars a mo fanya registration no. Enso mo fa sa particulars ni nya adwuma. Enti won ti ase se court akasa a kire mo nkrata ne de mo nyina so enfanya registration na mo de no ato nchen na mo de mo particulars foforo na eye. Enti wo kwashraj.
Okay. It's a free country. Whoever it is, they are entitled to do that. Yeah, a human rights on by the office and Rabbe 11.
Okay.
But the key point is this, Miniaba. We are creatures of statute. Emra and RTA and Emrano SE Yejuma and Aye. Say yeti ye. That's a court. Eka say, hey, Monty, Namunye say ya. Oh, why not? You be court umraso or the akwashraja a very important state institution boa ama ankrankra yedie and corruption and ankrankra yedie ho atoten na corruption so free ho na administrative justice and so say fairness ayedwuma is their right. Okay. We've not been served when we receive it to the extent that I can tell. I've not seen it. Okay. But say yensaka yebedi senia emrano HSA yindi no so
na make mo registration asem no na wo ka se nka mo mrantie ni bi teacher ni bia behema wa wia mo card ni mo forms no ebie no afi na me dwendwen ho ase ne amanfo ma forward evidence ma one mo so enya ade amubedi akiri enti de aba papers mu no se amanfo amfa evidence ama ebeye den na wo mo a eba papers mu se obi agi obi sika obi akọ register obi wa sorry dem mo obi de ne machine kofia anadwo enti ya kire wo mo safo ni nyina mo be yo mo den.
Oh, I thought I had responded, but
mami nya no. Oh, ya sanction wo mo ti sanction wo mo ne no ano no.
Eba omo infringe ye rules and regulations ye nhyehyeye any criminal offenses no ya take the appropriate disciplinary action ye 12 of them edi
okay
omo eyem from so ba na odi ne pani bi na ayese ye sei na oya kwala na wanye ne ye ya suspended almost half one
omo yesing
I think about 5 me the papers me refi the exact figure but we've sanctioned them appropriately omo under criminal investigation the police are handling that
okay
I don't touch it
okay
so police hear information from us they ask now no police for buy omo the request buy a letter say sabra na me bo pro omo ko see me office say omo achi enipa say mienu bia na omo ekura form say omo say fadama ho baby omo ye nia emfata proceed for buy the form no baby say form we eyemo form ampa na yesi ai o sankrofo mpeso mu say sankrofo omo ye adwuma wo ye ho ampa na eno so ye be cost system no mu na ya hwe say ampa sankrofo omo ye adwuma ewo ye ho ana you cooperate with the police to investigate but sir they see wo Kolibu ho na me bo Kolibu police for na baso me ko hu omo ye de efata nyina
okay
see ebetimi achi onipa ba ko na ona no ye sa bone no a wadwane no ye betimi achi no na enipa num no so a ya chi na ba tan a ba ko pimfo ba ko so ne bakura no ne ade senia mrane hyehyɛ tie no
okay
ye deba fa so pepepe na mrane ne ombedi ne senia efata we are not shielding ya mo obi ho ban na so evidence me a lawyer ni you don't just jump and go to court you don't just jump and dismiss someone
okay
ehia se mo so mo te ase na mo boy ma ye de emra na eda ho no e na esom oman no
yeah te prof they say I come 20 minutes e de meye ni say prof te ase mam so me kan Facebook comment unfortunately me Facebook comment no me nya picture me video no so comment ni si o me enti I reform me promise mo enti me de calls be share Facebook comment na nine enti 10 minutes me de ebebi ahoma na to mo betimi afre na wo challenge no opemu na wa ha idie okomonitri enti okwa obeso ohawo na no amayen nti betumi afra my comment wo challenge wa femu no cause ye pese ye ni na eboa ye nyina enti prof atiase me de course replace Facebook comment the next 10 minutes na aka no me de ebema ye nyina ye hu prof ye if he said the man is oh ye professor kwa woni which kind of professor oh yeah man say prof kenatifa you know so can no ye law lecturer no Central University now or ye prof of criminology and one no and they want to know prof more prof before medical I know I'm for more me WhatsApp line no so mo ye wide ba prof obi say adenta Madina Lankwantana baby am ye pilot no be say last year ho and we ye ni bibia up till now ne card in my
asem na minchiro mu kakra akwan hodo miensa so na obi card ntumi ma
okay
ache
okay
ba ko ni obi a na minkase minuen sa na ne de tie
okay
but generally no 3 means ba ko ni obi a wa register or register na ne nsa anka ne card no because na bi a data ni ho o ko ni fie na obe has a queue kitwa bi no asa ko di queue no so no akọ register I had double registration. Okay. It's an offense. The system is designed, it's so sensitive. Oh, yeah, pet a betcho.
Okay.
Now, me share my maybe or trust hospital. Or nona or lament. Ne how they say, well, register 3 times.
Okay.
It's an offense. 3 times. But e biana unim, e biana ye adwin bone. Or no sano. It's a say, yeah, until we are sapa. We have double or multiple registration. Na afidie na show.
Okay.
Na ascend application no to adjudication.
Okay.
It is a court. Process. Thank you.
And your case number one. Prof. I'm for your fast pa. Some man frank ma home. It's my main fan. I say, well, doctor, your factory boma. Prof. Here and they will come back. I hope say beti me hu prof mo nyesa akoja aye hu ni ye bi. Nana say odoko nana kwaba. Na say.
Ya ni onu nya ba na te say.
Me hu ye ohene ye bre ni so a enti Jum TV no ka wasem no tie.
Me ba cho mati. Me ba cho mi di ni de na na jesi nya na say.
Yo facha me mpacho.
Ye nya ofota. De tie ni say. Ade no mo ye no. Odo ko be bia ye ne ye wo no. Ni kuro ni. Okọ no ma de omo ye ho na ano di na nkasa.
So nana can wasem straight. E ho ukọ ye no challenge ben.
Okọ na akwa ye card na. We go be di liar. Ni e di obi fi nche ne de na ba ba hyem. Ne de na ba be di liar no so.
Okay. Nana. Okay, so we get it. Jumping the queue. Omo ye favoritism wo. Yan fa nepotism on so. Okay, so line here 0302257 909 0302257 909. Okay, Eja Frank.
Yes, madam.
And Pacho one on call.
Pacho.
Pacho Jum TV no, Mr. Ufra, Jum TV volume no tie free phone ne so. Yo. Okay.
Me Pacho down some last stop. I gave you hold on side.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, me tie on here dance man last stop.
Be 10-20 days na me call you register. Peter Kran into me call. Me call na me kudi la so. Na tell me say be about that time we are. Wo be kono na side to action say you can pay for that. Several times me call my 3 days. Up to now me sanka me card. Me dina ho sa. And the second issue is we ho apɛ.
Okay, jumping the queue so about. Okay, Prof, enti now already member bisa will be identified no. Now we back one say betimi aba say why double and triple registration ti edi na sem.
Yes. Now I don't know a case by case basis.
Okay.
Tier one by one I technical committee and na nipa ba ko na watimi awie mu ama.
Okay.
Enti e say e ntobwase adwuma.
All right.
And that obi ohonso a na why or you registered 10 years ago.
Okay.
And do one why beat it, sir. Or registered 10 years ago when your card.
Okay.
And now when the data your system no mudada. Two corner would you start to so start to if you no super. Now data na honina na appear aba. All call register 10 years ago no or the Felicia
drama. To disorganize your thought. Now yenu abeme also or hima chrome. Akwasi menya dini ya fache me London. Akwasi David. Okay. Thank you. David.
King David, yes.
Yes, King. Yetie wo.
Apacho me mamu ni na akire.
Ye so.
Na me follow sa NIA na kin say very laudable tina omoye. Na the thing is say yeah you like London na no is there any tina is it a process for us to also register Ghana card in Ohana? Because because you start on an organization, you say you Ghana for you now, the whole UK and Ghana card now. I think say a bebua party.
David, and she said, Mubefia, Musumubenya be an answer, Mubenya Center, and what approach you on I will be saying.
Yeah, as like we're going to actually Ghana High Commission in office now register. The process, you know, you to register the account, we can all go there now can answer to me. David,
that's it. So, Fatu Soneti, yes, Prof.
Yes, and just to finish the first point.
Yes, Prof.
And Obi Ohonomoa, now when Yabani data or a dear or they registered 10 years ago, no, a be a Adwamansa, Felicia Adwamansa, and there Obaye no, or the Georgina Adwa Amponsa.
Okay.
And now say Felicia Mansa Amponsa.
Okay.
So a dinner or the abano. You're different from a dinner or the year 10 years ago. No? The system will arrest you.
Because Nensano was system.
Exactly. And yet you are a different person by your own representative. There wow. A Troy and just say Bibi womb TSC Shim. Na achino. Oboha ni date of birth. No asesano. So yeah, change of you was a sound dear as an official no quite change of name. What by Mrs. Anderson? Our father now dear Aboajoa. Say now we Mrs. Dede Anderson as a set we change of name. Na a gazette. That is the law of Ghana.
Yeah.
And yana na kufado na diabama onchiro is the existing law. Ghanaians must obey the law. And the system is a technically sensitive system.
Okay.
And it will arrest you and send your case to adjudication. Na one by one.
Okay.
And at the tosumiensa, na when I can date of birth ni name no a big factor.
Okay.
And crofo ehwan wo date so ne ade no. And at the last one, obi ohana oni obi edin say so much that there is a hit, there is a match. System no ehu say sania oni obi se no. Asa nipa ba kwa asem yi ese ye tuebo ase ne make sure say there is no corruption, there is no fraud here. Now omo dia ne dey easy because once you raise the bar a little bit, you can see other differences. Now omo card na ye released.
Okay.
Mr. Obi and the card that came. Onya botremaye say a backlogger any problem.
Okay.
We will clear the backlog in a couple of weeks.
Okay.
Max. You clear we are, you be Ghana for omo sano, you be send your message. Ni actually the omo kofa omo card.
I was say mo ka say mo be friend no na mo friend.
Obi hono ma na me panicho, it may not apply to her. Obi ho na ya friend no. Na ya anya no. Obi hono mo a ohu ye no, ohu say a number, it be our friend back. And obi also a you see a best friend by your friend no there. Let's just say adjudicating the case, you know. Enwie omo register omo in parliament in June 2017 no. 2018. There are a few MP back on time frame are still only on the card because it's gone into adjudication. But do na ya register omo na no. They've got their cards or their cards.
I lost my Attafuah different.
I'm sorry.
Facha me paucho.
Pacho queue jumping.
A queue jump. Prof, sorry, I'm saying so. Pacho, Attafuah ni.
Yeah. Pacho,
yes, Bukari. Yo.
You say no, before time no. You center now. You center now. You better not the start card now for now say you phone call.
Okay.
Now second year. The other no want to ma individuals no they are utu abana police station by police station now. Obia nimti aha na nitu aba. Say me ko the police station na me go register my identification card.
Okay.
Later now obia register we are now enuchi conform munya.
Okay, Bukari, ya to point na say enti prof be hu anu ama. Pacho me fa innocent we a mon home so kakra na o prof nyi anu ansa na sebre no wo ya fa kakra be ka eche no. Innocent.
Hello, mommy.
Papa, akwaba.
I'm what you saying.
Ye hu ye.
Me pacho oba ni boy town face pona. Face pon place the school mo. Omo a registration na omo kura machines no. Omo fa boys bi na udru ono mana boys na juice ka 30 Ghana, 20 Ghana, 50 Ghana. Na anajo omo de wakọ omo register no ho e wo fi no ma fill forms na ma. Enti wo diki wa woni sa oba tro udin no. Ono be bara na ono ya tro ni din da enti no ono wa wura mu akodi be dia ye twa picture no. Enti de bia no omo asore ba omo be twa picture no. The same thing. Uba wona obi aba be wura mu the same
innocent yeah mate was ye na mom me sure say prof bebusa say enyina so because e bi ono mo a kolebu die say oye teacher ni onya adwuma ye ni no abehim wo betimi aboa ye with a little detail kakra
me pa cho point na ejina gate wono mo gije nkrofo si komodo mo kwa anajo no minimum ba ko pa minimum ne pa nya say
contact
okay innocent
Innocent. Hello, mommy.
Pacho jina homane so na producer no no be kasa wa chire na wajo contact na fe yato aso afi ho why
me pacho mate
enti pacho praise mo ne kasa wa chire na mo nje no contact prof you interested so be follow yes prof
thank you queue jumping rehosem enti tia de ma adwumayefo no enye sa na chire me na me chief executive. My wife or a senior or a lawyer, Penny. My wife could do queue mu and or register. Man, fat man, jump queue amano. Man, chimera me shame ami due be anim. Not toss number 27.
Ewo him for bro.
Ewo a Ridge when we were doing the institutional registration.
Okay.
Fakwa meteno Ridge Council of State in China. Na Bangalo bi ohono mo a eye empty anka metimi akase oh yembie registration center ho nan several ministers no ne titru bi atete brono no so ho no I didn't do that. Me ma ekodi queue mu and almost co register. This is a public fact.
Send a sentence and you know, doctor, I think you base so no saying.
It is important for Ghanaians to understand leadership by example. Omo no omo yesano, omo gu ejumano.
Okay.
Omo magana for ko a year ne ahotete. Omo ha dream.
Yeah.
That's not the way it's supposed to be. Papaya on Mao specific New Boy Town. Proxy for any BN9 penny for no be brio honomo. Ya engage you omo.
Okay.
Monitors ewo ho. Miria me no penny for bekasa.
Okay.
We'll do the necessary follow up. But ye pe concrete examples and ko bi kra eba. And or you willing say me 50 CDs. Na minim say na wrong but na me ye dia ye. A dance ya na say me yes sir, but I'm willing to support prosecution. We might, I mean not we NIA. The state might be interested in looking at the benefiter in terms of plea bargaining. And shebia ebi ebetumi ama asotwe keto anasa asotwe bi mana ebebo ama yetumi ache saafo no it may or may not
unim hona sem say echina se obi ba se obeyi nanimu a enu na ama ebi omo ma say hey wo so tu adam de enti de wo ma edifo te say de wo je
enu nti na me share that can something about plea bargaining as an extreme case ena enura say obi akọ registration center or jump queue your officials no eya de pass omo man kwan mo jump queue na ne buafu na wa vandalize equipment obubu efidie no ba ko
wa center be no
e wo measure center no but ye wo meeting ase na omo be kae me free police mpanifo Dr. Gariba omo on the patrols na no ema omo eco center ho entino emsa waboso kan that center was at Aboso kan Methodist niema sa no our officers resisted and maame kunu na papa no ebedi be voucher ma no ana bibi omma din no odin kan say onye no ye obeme abono enti osro to cooperate with us to arrest that person and take appropriate wa vandalize state property. It means say ade ana fidie ne yen entumi nye ti omo gina queue no no ombetinu mu ache anase omo kro omo ntumi nye
na ya busia bom sobo afi prof yanko King David London registration
of Ghanaians in the diaspora emra say yes ye register Ghana for nyina de omo tibia abroad registration ebeba so after the domestic one ye wie charity begins at home ye wie we ya ye be call abroad na hye wo hon say emra no say yamfa Ghanaian mission officials no enye yen registration officials it's a bit training sa for no na omo timi aboa Ghana for wa amanane no na omo a register na mum oka bibi fa ahobo a omo so omo aye a ompese omo tae chimi ye enti Ghanaian associations no omo be boa me abodawro omo betimi aboa yen ama ebia na technical support bi na mission ni hia bia na mission no staff ne bia volunteers bia mission betimi a recruit omo baby anye sikatuamu na mum for the purpose of this registration na ye betimi a check omo background ye na ye hu se ye ne omo ye adwuma na ebe ye no se ne ebe ya cost ebeko form san hye ni nyina ewo ho ye beko abrochire
na fe the register 10 years ago kita valid Ghana card
one of the requirements for registration it ukra is so deco and na fe nso kra no emra ne kire se Ghana ID card bia wo bia no se wo kwa ye stress enye mra ne kire ye ne ye stress wo kwa fakọ if say ye bi ye friend data harmonization and integration ye pese data na ewo DVLA passport office national health insurance social security and national insurance trust any sa GR num ni nyina no ye pese ni nyina ye ka bom na se wo ye Janet Adwoa Dufia as I say just one Janet Adwoa Dufia okra wo biometrics one pair
tie bo asa won card bebrebe ni nyina beba nice abrochire de no
ebe cha abrochire de no na ye card ye call conference bi wo Virginia ye presentation on the Ghana card the FBI boss 2 years ago at the conference remarked that this is far superior to anything they have in the United States.
Yeah, the nyamia say prof ye nya obi enti mame fa Caleb ewo asofa Caleb Helen, oh, my Obama. Praise I have you, I know what. Helen, fetch me why?
Helen.
Auntie, I'm part of the Bisa say. Bisa mama say a day, nipa send do send register a day.
Mr. Bisa sa date na ubisa sa.
But I say
I date na ubisa sa.
But I'm what of a new station. A day be a 93 days. Some register nipa 35 and drum register nipa 25 and some register nipa 15. And then I'm a person and a bimu kodaho and my diction.
Okay. Ellen, don't worry. What my point, you know, your the salient one will mock to prof obey you and why. Yeah, that's it.
Bye.
Pacho, me you know, nana akaba registration at polling centers.
Yes.
And no. Running see you use polling centers. I mean, as far as registration centers, that the EC Electoral Commission used in the last general election to the extent possible. Yen to me nyasika en tom fidie en tiny pa en training omo engu all polling centers in the country. It's not possible.
Okay.
And even fair possible cry, it's answer ye pese anke ye instant issuance nintino. As I say ye koye survey every place. I bet me I center or hono. Ni I say data connectivity. Na it is saying.
Okay.
It ye choose site no based on certain factors. It be a data connectivity. It be a security of the premises. It be a baby a storage. A bit me enya a day ye nema agu. And nuntina it be a sorry demoni suku demonomani ade adeno. It be a honoma hotel because I'm running say it should be a public place.
Okay.
Enti ubehadone de yakosre asori bi ana baby ne de ne agu ho na omo asa ma baby kra ma ya ho a ya adwumayefo no eda ho.
Okay.
Ade achia na omo de pressure na omo de asi workers no so say yen register omo e bia na adesede so yen so ya boa mo one good turn deserves another.
She said hu bi wo papers mu say omo register sorry for bi.
Thank you. And on na sanctioned na ya peneso omo de adesrede na ba ama ya approve ye identity registration ye bisa ama nkramophobia omo so share da na omo ama facilities a ye use where it is approved. There is visibility, there's transparency, and you're wrong.
The institution amuda ubodi mo ye ho ade pa. Enti nkitinkiti we de se ne nkamantem ho na na se mba use information for no services van akoka se o se ya nanka aboa pa.
Sanete ye information service department for air adwuma. Ye ne NCC for air adwuma. Omudi enimu ko ekoboda roma yen. Yen so de mobile vans.
Okay.
Efam potemu a mounted megaphones ebobo na pampama ye de bo de row and potam Auntie Helen ebisa say how many registrations per center. There's not a fixed answer, but a shameful say obibeka say ye be registration 25 a day and now 15 a day. Say ekobasa de na ebi mfidi e wo center ho nyina no ebi asama na ka baako. That's a kaba konso de anaje ze nipa baako na oye adwuma no kra no meet the lowest target. Your lowest target per person, that is per operator in a day, 30 registrations.
Okay.
Now and no kra no I mean 30 enrollment. O ka say registration na ye form no aye fill ni ade no. But o gotna nipa na ma ye twa mfoni. Watwa onsadua ne wani kosua no. Eno na ye critical. Na sa data capture no SSL obia oti machine na chibia no at minimum oye 30 a day.
Okay.
Se otimi ye ebro 30 a na oyade ebitimi ye 60 obi ye 65 obi atimi ye 70. Se by a calculation no se omutumi ye an average of 40 anka adwuma asem enihu. And you obia na ebetimi a register no even if they were doing 100 per person cra.
Okay.
Yentimi nye obia. And nti na medical ka say ye betty officers e wo ba bia ma obia wantumi an register during the mass registration no. Actually no wetimi akọ register during the continuous registration. No ye permanent de bia e wo ho. Na mom enye ye nhyehyeye ne say ye wa ceiling ema obi say wo de se ubetimi aye 60 and 70 kura we 30 ajai debi ye ni bibisa.
Okay.
Na adwumayefo no na ebibon omho moden pa obi also at the whole day obetena fidie nanim obey bachiri saa bi a 15 obi ohonom nso a na ye fa no omo no omo ye institutional registration ni adenta ne lankwantana madina ashoma atomic no omo akwadare mu
okay
enti omo speed and accuracy
omo de be ye adwuma no prof unfortunately 10-5 yakasa pa ya don't shiri me nu kra and so I for and the time ne ma until we couldn't get to know prof yegusu ya I'm hoping that one day prof will be back. So oh prof ya dey be frɛ ododo unya adaje cheche wotitwi wotebrofo nti wokatwi wokabrofo so okabrofo nti prof we dey yedu besi ha na yada wase pa so ba ni asese mumfa moni ni akiri efise amanfo mkodi queue no so no consensus ne do so pa nti se mu African West na mukoga East ya enu so ye ni bedi akiri na de omanfo mo pese mu hu bia no yamamu ehu enne eye opani ene bompu ni mpuno eye CEO ema National Identification Authority wo moma ye Ghana card no wo ye wo benfu mu okuni a wonim emra na mra no wawedare wo abonefusem emudie mu ene emfafa na fiche kra wo no eni wura anase Professor Ken Attafuah ena no pay ye ne bo empuni mpuno ebre ne de ekopa wo se ekọ se de be ya dawurufo benya kwan aba enti se wasem bi ya misa ma na yanka me yenye nkanjebi dachi bia ye besia hia prof ni ato aso yes sorry so no quick birthdays happy birthday to Nana Bibi Babwatin Nana we CEO wo Crystal Mining Company Limited ene wa woda enti lawyer TK ma wa woda pa wo se enkwahunsan nyiche ene enkwatenten edemau and a happy birthday enko emfa emma wo Margaret Apple wo New Town, Tema New Town. Say belated one and right would so belated happy birthday. And then an advanced one to Jedediah Patrick Anefi University of Ghana Finana Kwame Shira Eho and Emmanuel Kusibeko Womonso University of Ghana Womunina Emma happy birthday. Now me sorry for you, Mami Kancha MacBro collection say me that one say for my shoes every day of the week. MacBro or Pick Farm or be the Pele Plaza for 0244 11491 and J Essentials and Mami Kells for fair and then they rocking it differently many jopa week 9 I think I'm loving it. J Essentials, thank you. Instagram, J Essentials, or more East Legon Malabo Avenue for 024 3939053. And I'm a beautiful slate and cover. And so if you creative line, I could see a creative work. I'm a master African woman and kasa. I could see a medawa say St. Teresa School nature North Kanishi. Omo quick fix and open be same fabric and a different fabric, same style. Creative line be yama. Ubetumi ajedi ako ediaye froni bi ochena. If your creative line for 0244695057 and a 0264414945. Make up baby next weekend. Until me call ye grooming, me call ye manicure and pedicure. Na fe mashe me nim na me siye ne fine. E Asant nail and brushes. Our Joel Wobeng Specialized, rebranded Specialized. For 0266036309. Asantua Pokia de la Gloria. Kuning na wa ombesomo papa. Pacho, ye do see a kaisa option I wife for Cassie. Ain't my